Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to Cardano giveaway Epoch 283. This one is a very special one because we have not only 5 prizes, but one of them is Unsig number 270 99. So this one here, the main one behind me. So these guys have all been sold out. 33,000 of them, I believe. Uh, they started selling at around 15 ADA each. You could buy 3 for 50 ADA. Then the second stage was 2 for 50 ADA, and then the last set was sold at 1 for 50 ADA. And now they are selling like hotcakes on cnft.io, I think, for hundreds of ADA, some of them thousands. So this one's pretty special. So I will get to it because I'm actually running out of time. So okay, so I need a password for. Okay. I will minimize myself. So I explained those. Oh, and of course we have a Twitter prize as well. This guy here behind me, this one is called Wings of Ada at the bottom here. So I had 4 of them. I gave away 3, so this one's your last chance if you wanted to get one. Well, actually, there's more that are sold by a guy who I will mention. So let me minimize that and put me here. So I have to log into the server. I was just doing a test run here to make sure everything's still working. So cd into the temp folder and Cardano tools. So this shows what branch we're on, but let's just double check that we're up to date, and I have to go to the Cardano tools here. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for the commits. No, this is the main branch. We're actually on feature SQRT branch. And this, the last commit is this guy here, T0A. I can copy it. And we're just trying to confirm that I'm using the latest code and I haven't changed anything. So there you go. You can see that I'm on this branch and I'm on the latest. And if I do a git pull, it's going to tell me I'm up to date already. So first things first, I have to do, as always, I have to pull down the latest ledger file. So this contains the latest staking information to get the list of delegators. So this one is usually the longest step. So in the meantime, I can go through the rules for this one. So we have 4 prizes. The first prize is 50 ADA, which is awesome. Second prize 30 ADA. Third prize is 20 ADA, and the last prize is this Unsig 27099. So let's go to this link to see it, what we're actually giving away. So this is what the prize number 4 winner will get. And I think I had it. No, I didn't have a link, but basically you'll be able to see it in Pool PM, and I think not the Nami wallet as well. You'll be able to actually see this token, but also in your wallet it will come up as just another token. But to actually see it, you have to use one of these websites. So the rules, the fourth rule, the bonus prize, sorry, is the Wings of Ada, as I said. So here's what that looks like. So there you go. So you'll get one of these, plus obviously the Ada that it comes with. Whenever I have to send a CNFT, it has to come with a bit of ADA, over 1 ADA, but yeah. But then as well, if you are ever sending the CNFT to somebody else, you will also have to send that. Although maybe in the future that amount will change. So it's some of the rules. If you win but don't want the prize, return it. So far we haven't had anybody return the prize. So the second prize, the active. So this giveaway, as usual, is for active delegators of Epoch 283. So this is what the program will look at. It will pull down the latest ledger state, and it will collect all of the delegators for this active delegators for this epoch. So that means during this epoch they were getting they were staking with Queen, and so they were contributing to Queen's creation of blocks. So yeah, so active means in order to be, so if you want to be active and you're not yet active, what you need to do is delegate to Queen 8 a stake pool, and if you delegate in epoch n, for example 281, you will be active from epoch 283. So always just add 2 and you should be active in that epoch. If win is not delegated with Queen at the time of the draw is being made, the prize will go back in the pot and the winner will be repicked at the next giveaway. So this actually happened 1 or 2 epochs or giveaways ago. We got one winner who was no longer delegated to Queen, so they didn't receive the prize. But in the next giveaway, I basically picked another winner for that same prize. So the prizes will be given away, but just to Queen's delegators. So the minimum ADA for automatic entry will be 1 ADA. This also happened once, I think with a bonus prize. So a delegator, his choice was still Queen, but I think they no longer had any ADA in that stake pool, so that technically they weren't delegated, something like that. So make sure to have at least 1 ADA. Winners will be unique, so that means a winner can't win 2 prizes in the same giveaway. Winners' tickets will be square rooted to give the smaller majority a greater chance of winning. So that means that somebody who has 100 ADA will have 10 tickets, and somebody who has 1 ADA will still have 1 ticket, basically. Instead of having 100 versus 1, it's going to be 10 versus 1, and so on. In fact, the more stake you have, the more this impacts you in a negative way. But then if you're in the middle or on the smaller side, you're gonna have a much better chance. So yeah, the 7th row is IOG ticket will be excluded. So currently IOG is delegating to Queen, so we like to exclude them. The tool to be used is this Cardano tools, and then the bonus prize will be selected from those who retweet the giveaway tweet and comment a valid Shelly address. So the giveaway tweet is always looks like that. So what you do is basically just retweet and you comment your address like Pedro has here, and so you'll be in the draw. And as you can see, there's only 15 retweets, so at most there's going to be 15 entries, so you're going to get a 1 in 15 chances to win this bonus prize. So okay, so actually this thing finished. So we now have a ledger JSON which contains all the information. So that means now actually we can let the epoch cross over, because it's only it's actually going to happen any minute now. But we already have the latest ledger, so from that epoch, so it's not going to affect this giveaway. So the next thing that we do is we actually construct this this command. So we want to run this script using this ledger file that we downloaded. The pool ID is my pool ID. The exclude addresses, these are my addresses that obviously can't participate in this giveaway, and also we have the IOHK one, and we want, in this case, we want 4 winners, and we want a minimum tokens of 1, so minimum 8 of 1, and then this flag here is square root, so we want to square root the number of ADA to convert into tickets. So let's run that. So while that runs, I think I can talk about the next giveaway, which is going to happen in 2 epochs times instead of 3. So here we go. So these will be it's back to normal. We have 3 prizes instead of, well, 3 plus 1, the bonus prize. Oh, snap. I'm not sure that I actually have any more of these. So I might actually have to buy one from the guy in our group. So, but okay, if I don't, I will either replace this. I will update it before posting it on Twitter. But the preliminary prizes are the usual: 50 ADA for the first prize, 30 ADA for the second prize, and the third prize is this CNFT, the purple dragon. It's just called the Dragon 002, but since it's Alonso and he's purple, I think it's relevant, or a better name. So yeah, so this will take place in 2 epochs time. So that's that, and the rules haven't changed. If I look at the rules, I didn't change any of the rules, so the rules are going to be the same. So yeah, now let's see at the output here. Okay, I think I can close that. So current epoch is 283, so that's good. This was actually taken from the ledger file instead of, you know, pulling it down from somewhere else. It's taken from the file, so we know we're on the right ledger. We're using the right ledger JSON and excluding these addresses. One more thing actually that I wanted to talk about was, well, this unsigned algorithms website. So here you have a bunch of these. Well, they're actually all sold out, but you can view through all 33,000 of them, and you can enter a number 5, let's say, and you can see it. They're all unique and cool. But this website here, actually, I shared with one guy in our Telegram group today, and here people both buy and sell Cardano NFTs, CNFTs. So actually, on the home page, you can look for a specific one, like ADA cards, for example, or an NSIG, like I typed here, NSIG. And you can go, but you can also filter, and I think you can select a particular project, and also that they have verified the policy ID. So certain projects have basically registered themselves and confirmed that they are I think they must have just registered the policy ID, and so the clones that are also sold on here, they will be omitted then if you select this flag. But just to show, basically, you see these guys are selling for crazy amounts. 3,200. In fairness, it is a pretty image, but 3,000, I don't know. But then again, here you see that this one is not. It says here not a real. It says unsigned algorithms like this, but it's I mean, they could have just outright called it fake, but yeah, I guess they're trying to be politically correct. Okay, so we have 4 winners, which is awesome, and it looks like all of them were kind of on the small side. So let's see, we have this guy who has now in this case 441,332 is the number of tickets that they had. Not the number of ADA. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hard to say how. Let's just look at one of these guys to see, because I'm actually curious. Cardano scan. So this guy now that I'm gonna look for, he won, or she won the the CNFT. So they actually have 446. Did they transfer at some point? Okay. Well, anyway, I will take a look at these, and congrats to all the winners. I will post the actual transactions later, so you can see if you are who you are, or if you are one of the winners. Now, the last thing that I have to do is the Twitter giveaway. So let's see. Twitter giveaway picker. But this guy basically won the CNFT, which could be worth hundreds of ADA, so congrats to you. Okay, so I usually use this one here, and I pick this is the tweet. Oh, come on, I did this already. Let me try it again. If not, this other one's available. So Cardano. Oh no, Twitter retweet picker. Okay, I'll use a different app then. Your tweet link. Okay, this one. Number of winners. Let's just count how many we have retweets so that I do. Okay, 17. So I'm gonna do 17, and in case one of them, in case the first one isn't a valid one, doesn't have the address, or the address isn't staked with Queen, then I will pick the next one until we get at least one. Okay, so 17 retweets. So let's Oh, I have to log in. Okay, sign in via Twitter. Ah, you're kidding me. Ah, that's a pain. This one worked all the other times, so... And this one is getting a 500 server error. That's hilarious. Oh, actually, I clicked on this one before, so maybe this one works. Retweet draw, okay. Enable alternatives. E283. Grenada. E283, okay. Finish draw. Number of winners. Let's just do one. Okay, so winner is... No way. Again, Mr. CNFK Mask. I don't think you're gonna want your prize, your own, your own CNFT. So I'm gonna give it to Disco PC. If you have a problem, we can discuss in the chat. So, so congrats, Mr. Disco. So yeah, let's wrap it up. It's getting late here, so thanks guys. I hope the audio worked. I hope everything worked, because a lot of things didn't. So we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.